Welcome to the ERwin Data Modeler R8 DB2 zOS Editor video. This video provides an overview of the DB2 for zOS object editors available in ERwin and explains how you can use some of the editors. You can define objects such as database roles, databases, files, permissions, schemas, sequences, storage groups, trusted context, and users for a selected DB2 zOS model. This video describes how you can create a table, a tablespace, a materialized query table, an index, and an auxiliary table. First, let's see how to create a table. Click the table icon on the toolbar. Enter the table name and press Tab. Enter the primary key column name and press Tab. Enter the next column name and press Enter. Repeat the step until you have finished entering the details for all of the columns. To create a tablespace, on the Model menu, click Target, DB2 for zOS, Tablespaces. The DB2 for zOS Tablespace Editor opens. Click New, and a new tablespace appears with a default name. Change the default name and press Tab. Select the storage type. Select the database in which you want to create the tablespace. Complete the fields on the General, Partitions, Using Clause, and Permissions tabs. After you have finished entering all of the details, click Close. You can create a materialized query table in a DB2 zOS physical model. To create a materialized query table, on the Model menu, click Materialized Query Table. The DB2 for zOS Materialized Query Table Editor opens. Click New. A new materialized query table appears with a default name. Change the default name and press Tab. Select the schema that you want to attach to the table. Go to the From table. From the Available Tables and Views section, select the tables that you want to include in the Materialized Query table and click the arrow icon. The selected table appears in the From section. After you have finished selecting the tables, go to the Select tab. From the Available Tables and Views section, select the columns that you want to include in the Materialized Query table and click the arrow icon. The selected column appears in the Columns section. After you have finished selecting the columns, go to the General tab. Select the tablespace where you want to create the materialized query table. Select the database in which you want to create the materialized query table. Complete the query options. Partitions, and the User-Defined SQL tabs. Click Close. You can create an auxiliary table only for a column that has the physical data type as LOB. Before creating an auxiliary table, ensure that you have already created a table. Right-click a table and select Column Properties. The DB2 for zOS Table Column Editor opens. Click New. A new column appears with a default name.